2, 3.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm actually going to be installing Honda Hack to my head unit, so stay tuned for that and I'll show you guys step by step on how to do that. And also I'm going to be showing you guys, if you guys have KTuner, the 1.2 version, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get the Tunerview for that. So, and also I think I'll show you guys in this video how to do Netflix as well, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so before I get a lot of questions in the comments on where I'm at with all this, I'm actually in my car under the car cover. I actually just lifted it up just enough to open this door so I can get in and do this little video for you guys. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Alright, before we start with all this, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description below on how to get Honda Hack. It's actually, they have two versions. One's the basic and one is the pro version, as you can tell on the screen right now. So the basic version is $10. The pro version is actually $25. I went ahead and got the pro version. That way, I get the most out of it. So I believe if you want Netflix, you got to get the pro version. But I'm not too sure on that. I just went ahead and got the pro version. So go ahead and purchase your Honda Hack and then come back to the video and I'll show you guys step by step on how to do so. So click the link in the description, get your Honda Hack. To start, go ahead and put it in accessory mode. There you go. Click OK. From there you just want to swipe down. Swipe down. Settings. Wi-Fi you want to turn on. From there click Wi-Fi. Go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot. Alright, so now that you're here, I'm gonna go ahead and connect and I'll show you guys once I'm done. Alright, so as you can see, that's the little Wi-Fi symbol right at the top there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's right on top. Once you're connecting, you should be good. And from there, go ahead and click the brightness on top, the phone, and the power at the same time, and just hold it until something happens. There you go. And then go ahead and click from there. Once you get to this screen, go ahead and click detail information and setting. All right, now that you're here at this screen, go ahead and hold the phone button for 5 seconds. There you go. Cool. All right, now from here, once you're here, go ahead and go down to special function settings. Scroll down and then cancel Android restrictions. And there you go. As long as you heard that little beep sound, you should be good. And go ahead and go home. Or actually, no. You're gonna want to click back. Just go back all the way till you get to the home screen. Okay, there you go. Alright, now that you're at the home screen, go ahead and click these icons on the bottom right corner. From there, it should take you to this, where all the apps are. Go ahead and click the browser. And go ahead and type in the URL that I put on the screen, which should be autohack autohack.org/root. There you go. There you go. So from there, go ahead and click get start. And from there, go ahead and put the authorization code that they sent you. I'm gonna go ahead and put mine and cut right when I get to it. All right, so I went ahead and put my code in and it should start working. It's gonna take a while, so let it load and then we'll proceed from there. All right, so once it's all done downloading, it should just automatically take you to this screen. Whatever car you have, go ahead and click it. I have the Civic, so I'm going to go ahead and click Civic. Car mode is Civic. Please confirm and continue. Please reboot head unit. So go ahead and hold the power button or the audio button for 5 seconds. Do you want to reboot? Yes. All right. So it's taking a while. Just let it load. Doing its thing. Cool. As you can see, we have the little Honda logo right there. So let's go ahead and go to, now that Honda Hack's downloaded, as you can see, go ahead and go to browser, about, and then go ahead and type in TunerView. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and download TunerView because that's what I need. TunerView, and just go ahead and click go, and then from there, Google should pop up, and then go ahead and do the TunerView app. You could do TunerView Lite, but I'm gonna go ahead and do TunerView app. Okay, here you go, TunerView Lite. Click this APK file, TunerView Lite. So download starting, as you can see in the arrow up top. It's a little bright. Let me go ahead and turn it down. Okay, so now that that's downloading, as you can see, it's stopped. Download complete. There you go, install. So now it's installing. App installed, open. There you go. Dope. So it's exactly what I wanted. So as you can see, it shows you everything, the miles per hour, it shows you everything, PSI. Yo, that's sick. So I'm stoked. I'm actually be making a video regarding this with my intercooler. So that's why I went ahead and bought this. So now that that's downloaded, for those who wanted to learn how to download Netflix, I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys right now. All right, before I go ahead and show you guys how to download Netflix, I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car and see what it does. All right, so turn on the car. Huh. That's weird. All right, so I actually figured out that you had to enable some stuff on your KTuner in order for it to read on your head unit. It's pretty simple, so I'll go ahead and show you guys once this loads up. So go ahead and load it up, sign in, and then I'll show you. All right, so I'm already signed in. So right now, there you go, it's logging. So tuning, so you're gonna want to go to V1.2 special commands, and then go ahead and enable BT pin code advanced. Go ahead and click that, and then it should pop up something, and then go ahead and click yes. I already did so I'm not gonna do it. All right, so before you want to download Honda Hack, if you want to go ahead and take care of this first, I suggest doing that. But yeah, go ahead and enable that, and it should work. So go ahead and TunerView Lite, open it up, and then from there, go ahead and turn on my car. Let's see, connect, scan for devices. All right, so KTuner Flash V1, it's connecting. All right, there you go, guys. So as you can see, it connected. As I rev up, like before it was just frozen. So now, good thing we have that. So now you can choose a different layout, switch layout. Let's see. It's all these crazy ones. It's like doing the most right there. Like this one's pretty dope. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to download Netflix real quick. So you're gonna wanna click the icons on the bottom right hand corner on the hack. From there, install and uninstall apps. Install apps online. And from there, you're gonna wanna look for Netflix. There's Home Data. If you have Home Data, you go ahead and install that. There's all these other ones, but if I were you, I'll just stick to like 1 or 2 apps. Don't overdo it, because then that's when it starts freezing on you. So I'm gonna go ahead and install Netflix. To let that install. Go. Alright, installation succeeded. You can find the app. Okay, it's on the app list now. That's what it's saying. So go back. Alright, so click the little icons. And as you can see, Netflix is right there. And then you can go ahead and move these apps around. Like I can go ahead and move Netflix over here by itself. So it's there. I don't have to keep clicking that. So I'm gonna go ahead and move KTunerview out as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it out here. So you can go ahead and move your apps around just like your phone. So as you can see, I have Netflix and KTunerview. That's all I'm pretty much gonna be using. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. So please like, comment, and subscribe, as it does help on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit, real shit, nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to